Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Incognito mode on Perplexity AI really quickly. For example, if you'd like to use that chat or writing assistant or chatbot anonymously. So let me guide you through this. It is very simple. Head over to Perplexity AI to access Perplexity through the web application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you're logged in, guys, click on the profile icon in the bottom left corner. And here you will be given the opportunity to switch between your user account with the associated account you signed up on, as well with the incognito mode below. If you do this, guys, you will be given the opportunity to chat with the artificial intelligence anonymously to create anonymous threads that expire or get automatically deleted after 24 hours. And these will also not appear in your library. For example, guys, as you can see, if I hover my mouse over that user icon here, and as long as I'm logged in with my user account, I see the history of conversations and chats here in the library. However, if I switch to incognito, you will see that that library gets deleted. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you use the incognito mode on Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching and see you next time.